going on, guys? We are back in Colorado. We made the 28-hour drive home. We got the minivan here in the garage. I just want to say that was an awesome trip out in Florida. We had a blast. It was an unreal experience. We got to drive the minivan on Daytona. It did great in the half mile. We did end up breaking third and fourth gear, but it's not a big deal. That's just a junkyard transmission. We're probably gonna head over and get some temporary gears to fix that. But I do want to upgrade some things on the van later on. But we are back now. I do just want to thank Want to Go Fast for hosting the half mile event. I want to thank Rob Ferretti for setting up this whole thing and inviting us to come out there. It was an awesome experience for sure. And if they have anything else like that in the future, we are more than willing to go because that was just an unreal experience. So we had a blast. We have some clips. We were hanging out with Cletus as well, and just some other things we did. We did get some video of it, so I'm not sure what to do with that. So I figured I would give you guys a few minutes of that real quick. So enjoy these clips in Florida.
Dude, yeah, look at the flaps and stuff. So if you spin out. Oh, it's got them on the hood and stuff too.
That's fucking This is legit. Like so legit.
I know. I tried telling people it's a full-blown NASCAR. So yeah, look at the tires. And then check this out. The exhaust is right here. So the headers just go straight into this like samurai sword looking thing, and then it's right here.
This is awesome, man.
Really?
Yes.
Dude, it's so big in here. It's like gutted and stuff like that.
Yeah, let's see if it'll start.
Oh.
I got a 572, two doors, 737. 572? 572 in it.
Bring it.
I don't think that van do nothing. It might surprise you.
You don't think that van do nothing?
It might surprise your bike too. Think it surprise that van surprise my bike? Might. I don't think so. He got that Corvette with them blowers on that bitch. Number 3 is right there. What that Corvette you got? I'm gonna bring my donk. I'm gonna have to race that van.
Yeah, do it.
I'm about to race that van.
Dude, I lost to that van. That thing's fast.
That van that fast as what? That little bucket you got?
Dude, it went 150, 153, 153.
And you got them big ass blowers on the side of that little bucket you got?
Yeah, dude, he beat the bucket.
You can't drive. You can't drive.
Yeah. That's the truth.
You can't drive.
It wasn't the car's fault. It was my fault.
It's your fault. You can't drive. You know, ease up off that water. And they say go. That means
This thing do a burnout?
What, this right here?
Yeah.
No, I ain't got no. I need to bleed the brakes.
Oh, gotta bleed the brakes to do the burnout.
I got a V8 in here.
Let's see it spin some tire. Come on, you got it.
Oh, I ain't got no brakes. If I had some brakes, I'd burn this bitch out.
Bro, welcome to Tampa.
Money's on Brent.
Your money's on me?
Yep.
Don't you have confidence in yourself?
We all know better. Last time.
Oh Lord.
I'm not allowed to do this like at all. Right, so you gotta pick like 3. Like not.
No, we're not all
We're not all going.
No.
Alright, who's going?
That's 4 then.
That's
Like Brent's going too.
All right. Hey, guys, we just gotta go.
Just hurry up.
Yeah. All right.
I got.
Where do we start at?
What? There it is. Hey, what's Brent? Woo!
You got the jump, that's not fair.
Yeah. You got the jump.
Friends over here dumping the curb.
Yeah, what was that? I won, I guess. I don't know.
God dang, bro. Oh my god, bro. Could you imagine taking that to the jaw? You would die. Dude.
Oh, you went lower, man.
That's my excuse.
Don't. Bro. Savage. What a savage, man.
You still got third of the week though. Third best of this week.
Dude, that's impressive.
That was awesome. Third best of the week. Third best.
Brent doesn't mess around on the go-karts.
No, I love go-karts.
That's too quick.
You won every round.
So if any fans are out there that think they can beat me, I'd gladly take you up on it. I really want to get beat by it.
It's pretty quick.
How long are we gonna do it for?
Bitch, I won't pass out. Stop it quick. 2. Come on, that's not.
Oh dang! You didn't get that dizzy, man.
Oh, Kyle for the win. Oh, what happened, bro? What happened, man? You weren't fast enough, dude. You guys want? What happened, bro?
Twinning.
Look at that, he's left fast. Look at him.
Always pointing at it. So yeah, we had a great time in Florida, but we are back now, and I'm gonna start putting the parts back on the hatch that I stole off the minivan, like the valve cover and the catch can, and we also got the tires mounted on the old wheels. Even though these are pretty worn out, we need some new radials for all the cars. But I'm gonna put these back on just so we can get the hatch rolling around again. Also, before we left, I did pick up some new spark plug wires for it, so we don't need the ones off the van. And then we also got a couple EGR block off plates because I've been needing these for a really long time. This goes right here, and the one I made a long time ago was way too thin, so it had an exhaust leak like at this very far corner right here, just because it didn't have enough like clamping pressure on the gasket, and you could hear it ticking everywhere we would go. But we got some new EGR plates, one for this and one for the minivan. And yeah, today I want to just focus on getting the hatch back together and running again, because the hatch needs some love, guys. I'm sure you guys are maybe starting to get sick of all the minivan content, I'm not sure, but I know the hatch needs some attention, the other cars need some attention. So I think if we get the minivan's transmission fixed how it is, I'm just gonna hold off on that one, make it so it can run and drive so I can continue to daily it, which it held up great, guys. Like, the motor is fine. The only thing that broke is third and fourth gear, but I mean, we beat the absolute crap out of the van this weekend, and she's still going strong other than those gears being broke. But yeah, we're gonna focus on the hatch today, get everything back together, and go take her for a spin, let her stretch her legs, because she's been needing some attention lately. First time starting up the hatch in a hot minute. Got the hatch put back together, did some pulls. She's running good today, boys. Running off them good vibes. If you guys didn't know, she runs on good vibes. So you guys can't be negative in here or else she'll break down. But yeah, forgot how fast the hatch was. Definitely a little quicker than the minivan, but I'll have some new radials on the way for the hatch as well. And we're just gonna be ordering a lot of parts for the car soon. And I do want to do some more things on the hatch here pretty soon. I do want to get a cage put in it, and I want to go through the engine bay, just kind of clean it up some more, probably upgrade the axles, and I'm going to need some new slicks for this season because the ones I bought from Ricky, they're pretty used up as well. And always tires. I always just need tires, so any tire sponsors out there, hit us up. But yeah, get some slicks for her, get some axles. I need to upgrade the fuel system. Probably gonna go with like a full-blown dual pump, like dual 450s or something, whatever it takes to get it to like 800 horsepower. I really do want to break 9s this year in the hatch, and I think we can do it. But she just needs a couple things. She needs some love. Definitely need to get the cage first. That's like number one. I mean, you guys have been saying I need a roll cage in the hatch for I don't know how long now, but I will be getting one here very soon. We're gonna get one bent up over at PFI, get it welded in, and yeah, that will be ready to go. But hatch is running good. She's happy right now. Glad I finally got to drive her. It's been so long, and I know a lot of you guys want to see some more content on the hatch. So there will be more coming up for the hatch soon. So be ready for that. Well, guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Got the hatch all running good. And a couple things I forgot to mention is I also do want to upgrade the transmission in it as well. I actually am looking at this straight cut gear set with like dog box engagement, so I'll pretty much be getting a dog box for the hatch, hopefully, if I can get my hands on that. So we'll see about that. Definitely needs some transmission upgrades as well if we're going to be turning her up in the future. Jeremy's been working on his head for his Civic as well, so now that we're back, we need to get his back together, get this thing running, and get it boosted. So once he gets all his springs and retainers back into the head, we might start on his tomorrow and start throwing his block together, because we should have everything we need to do that, and then we can get his car going. And yeah, I also forgot to mention at the beginning of the video, I also wanted to thank Brent for coming out, Emilio, Jeremy and his brother for the Florida trip. I mean, everyone helped out so much, and it was just an awesome experience. I can't stress enough how fun it was to go out there. On the way back from Florida, we hit 300,000 subscribers, which is awesome. Thank you guys so much. We definitely have a lot planned for this year, so I guess the next stop would be to hit 400K. So help us out any way you can. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, and hopefully we just keep growing from there. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.